Hi, I'm Victoria Woolley Parry with Parry Properties at Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm in my downtown office with Dan Shlufman, Manhattan real estate attorney and mortgage broker, and we're doing another one of our videos about the legal and financing aspects of buying and selling residential Manhattan properties. And this video touches on parents buying Manhattan apartments for adult children. Dan, this particular subject is where your being a mortgage broker can really help the client know which is the best way to go. When a parent comes to you about purchasing a co-op or condo for their adult child, what do they need to know?
I think the first thing that they need to know is that they're part of the transaction. A lot of parents think that they're just going to sign up and that'll be the end of it. But when you're involved, that means we have to see your credit, your income, your assets, and you have to be pretty open about what's going on. So you can't just be a co-signer without us looking into your situation as well.
Got it. And how do co-ops versus condos view these?
Well, for condos, it's not as much of an issue because the condos don't have really the right to approve or disapprove. They just have the right of first refusal. So obviously, it's much easier on a condo. Co-ops view them differently. Some co-ops have no issue with it. Some co-ops don't allow it at all. And so some co-ops are somewhere in between and they want to see what the situation is. I think what they want to make sure is that not too many people are going to be living in that apartment at one time, not too many adults, and they want to kind of know who's living there, what's going on, and how things are going to work. So with co-ops, you have to kind of tell the story, and usually it's okay.
Great. And what is the difference in rates and down payments?
Right, so to get the best rates on a condo, you want to put down 25%. If you don't put down 25%, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac have an additional charge of almost 1/4 of a point. With co-ops, you're going to be under the co-op rules. So co-ops generally require 20%, sometimes 25, sometimes more. So you're going to have to deal with the co-op rules before you really deal with the bank rules. If it's a Fannie or Mae or it's a Freddie Mac loan, you are allowed as a parent to co-sign the loan. Those limits now are into the low 700s as of 2019, which we're in now. So that's not a problem. However, if you get into a jumbo loan scenario, which is very common in Manhattan, you have to really speak with the lender and see what their specific requirements are for parents co-signing or not co-signing. Some allow it in certain programs, and but it's definitely something you want to look into.
Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. All of Dan's information will appear in the description below. Thank you for joining us. I'm Victoria Woolley Parry with Parry Properties at Sotheby's International Realty. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Parry Properties at Sotheby's International Realty, and hit the bell notifications button so that you'll be alerted to our videos about New York City real estate, local business, and community events in Manhattan. Thank you.